Yo, YouTube, what's going on, man? As y'all can see, I got a special guest right here. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
I'm Gent.
That's my big brother right here. So, that's my big brother, man. But, yeah, man, we got a special video today. His birthday recently just passed, so I got a birthday gift. So,
man, that's.
So he agreed to come through to the studio. He said he liked the basement. We're really in the basement, but like Rat City in the basement. But you know what I'm saying, got a shoot to studio in the basement. So yeah, he agreed to do an interview, and I bought him a birthday gift. So I don't know which one you want to get into first. We can either get to the shoot first and we talk about the shoot a little bit and do the interview later, or I can just ask you a few questions and then we talk about the shoot. It's up to you.
It's up to you, whichever's quick. Well, not quick, whichever's better for your viewers.
He trying to get up.
I'm just trying to be, not be older brother, just trying to be, this is your show, I'm a guest on your show. Whatever you decide, that's cool with you.
Alright, bet. So, we're just gonna hit y'all with the unboxing real quick. So, I'm gonna let him go ahead and do the honors. Go ahead.
Alright. So, you never seen these before?
I've never seen them before.
Do you like it?
We'll see when you open the box. I'm not sure. I know they Blazers. I got one pair of Blazers, and that's the New York Ballin' Blazers. I'll have to show y'all that later.
Do you like them? This box is crazy. It's
yeah.
the best box of the
okay. Okay. I see. Let me see.
Boom.
Let me see. So y'all see the box. It says Earth Day, every day. It's pretty colorful, you know, Nike all day. He wear the same size I wear, so he be coming up stealing my shoes sometimes. Now I just play 11 and a half. These are Blazers. Let me read the label. Nike Fly Leather Blazer 77 QS. So the QS stands for, if y'all didn't know, QS stands for Quick Strike. So these are a Quick Strike shoe, which means they probably sold out real quick. But on the other hand, they were Blazers too. So I don't know. Did they sell out real quick, or
they did?
Were they hard to get?
Yes,
that's why the GOAT came into play.
Yep.
Yeah. By the way, I got these from GOAT, and we all gonna see these at the same time. Actually, hold on. Let me put my phone up right here. And you see the GOAT stickers. Oh, we got all this Nike Fly Leather. Dang, I didn't know that. Hey, this shoe might be dope. It might be.
It might be.
It might be. Oh, okay. Okay. Hey, all right.
I'm serious right there.
Ooh, I might get some of these for myself. Y'all see that? Real close up. What was that supposed to be on the back, like the Earthman Day or something like that? Because I have no idea, like, what's going the story behind the shoes.
So it's Ruohan Wang. It's
Ruohan Wang. Oh, the artist you told me about.
Yeah, that's her.
Oh, okay. So we both follow artists on Instagram, and she does, like, she got a shoe contract with Nike, basically, right?
Yeah, she got a couple of them.
And this is like a recent one, most recent one.
Yeah, she got that one. She got a Air Force One, and then she got the Air Max.
Okay.
Is it Air Max? Yeah, it's Air Max.
Oh my God! Wait till y'all see this one. All these spare pair of laces. It got white laces, blue laces. Look at the orange tips. Y'all see that?
I'm serious right there.
Yeah, these dope. I'm not even gonna lie, these dope. They got a different
different pattern.
Yeah, different pattern. It got the Earthman on the left shoe, and the Nike check sign on the right shoe. All white. Oh, not all white bottom. See, I always say all white bottom. Purple bottom. These are colorful though. These like a special type of event, or like if you really want to go outside, you know what I'm saying, show off.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? These it right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Just a little backstory. I the one really started like in my family to put my brothers and them on shoes. I know back in the day, like how you say, like our dad used to buy sneakers and stuff. What was the first pair of sneakers that dad bought us or whatever, or that you remember?
Well, yeah, he bought a lot, but the first pair I remember was, I want to say it was like '88. So what's them Jordan 5s? Sorry.
Oh, the fire reds.
Yeah, but they weren't fire red. They were like black. It was black. They had the cement at the bottom, and it was like
metallic fives.
Yep.
Okay.
That was the first one. Me, you, and Jamal had some. Well, me and you had some. Jamal was kind of small.
That's what's up. That's what's up. So after that, after a while, we both fell off. The whole family, we fell off like sneakers and stuff, you know. Mm-hmm. So coming down the line, it's like I started back getting into sneakers around like 2017 or something like that. But I've been a sneakerhead all my life. He has too. Mm-hmm. But it's just
afford it.
But just picking back up, like 2017, I really got back into sneakers. I started watching sneaker YouTube and all stuff like Mike Ridge, Unbreakable Kicks, Ballin' on a Budget, Tony D, and just to name a bunch of other people. Yeah, I just started back into the sneakers, and then they realized that you can make money off the sneakers too, so they started getting involved too. So I started telling about the reselling game and just giving the knowledge back of what I learned from Unbreakable Kicks and the knowledge he has, and I was just sharing that. What he told to me, to my brothers and them, is just letting them know what's going on. So they started getting interested in it and stuff like that. They was like, okay, well, how you get this shoe? Where you get this shoe? Mm-hmm. I know I said I was gonna bring like a little raffle. Matter of fact, I actually, no, we're not gonna do that. I actually just missed a raffle on the Tope Hayes Jordan 4. So I just took my first L on those. But yeah, man. So it's just like I rekindled that fire of just bringing back, you know, the sneaker culture into my own family. So hopefully I can do that for more people, you know what I'm saying, around the world, you know, watching this video or whatever. So
so dope. Thank you, man. It's a beautiful birthday gift, man. I appreciate it.
You know what I'm saying? I tried, man.
You probably owe me for a lot of things in life anyway, so thank you. I appreciate it, man. I didn't know you had the nicest stuff.
Yeah, the spare pellets, man, I'm rocking with these all day.
What's it?
These right here. You know the white was gonna get dirty. Just to give y'all up close more look at them, you know what I'm saying? That's the right shoe, the left shoe, the drop shoe. Yeah, man, Blazers. I know it's supposed to be a Jordan channel, man, but we really just talk about sneakers over here, man. Like any kind of sneakers. Plus these for him too, so these not my personal pair. These not going in my collection. So yeah, gent, man, big bro, man, you got something to share before we go, man? Anything, any last thoughts? How you feel about the shoe? Or just any comments or what's going down?
I like the shoe. I never had a Blazer before. I like the way how big it is. I guess the color all over it, because you can't really see that on the Air Max
do they have the same? Do they have the same color pattern, or is it just different art or whatever?
Well, it's the same color pattern, but it's a different pattern itself. Like it's different drawings or whatnot.
Okay.
But I just like the way that it sits on this one better. I wish they didn't have the Nike sign on both sides, but it is what it is.
Alright.
That's all I got about the shoe. But I do want to say I'm proud of you, man. This is a really dope channel. You come a long way with the sneakers. You came a long way with the video, this whole setup, and I'm very proud of you. Everybody in the family is very proud of you. I'm happy for you. Hopefully this channel is going to blow up. Big things, you know. Yeah, we're proud of you. We love you and we're proud of you.
All right, man. Love y'all too. All love. So before we get out, man, I'm going to just show y'all, man. This one for the girl. Yeah, I am wearing these today. I guess he want to show what he got on feet too. Go ahead, show. You can do the little leg cross thing.
Well, my shoes dirty because I've been wearing them all day. But I got some Coming to America because that's coming out this week, so I decided to put those on today.
All right, we're going to get up out of here, man. That's for the passion, for the people, for the culture, man. I'll let y'all. Peace.